Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today is my most favorite video of them all. Y'all know I love filming this video. It is my my makeup subscriptions unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what it is that I received in my boxes this month, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy and we're doing good. So keep on watching. First things first, you guys know I'm going to have all the links down in the description box. So if you guys are interested in any of these or any one of these two boxes, then go ahead and click on the links down below. They're not affiliate links. I'm not getting anything of it, but it's a quick way for you to go ahead and sign up. So first things first, let's go with my Ipsy Glam Bag. So I know if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. If you guys are not new, welcome back. And you guys know the drill, but I'm still going to say it. So Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription that you get 5 sample products plus a little bag for $10 a month. But starting next month, they are going to be going up to $12 a month. And it's still going to be 5 sample size products and a little bag. This month, so cute, look at this. It's zodiac constellations. You got a little crystal on the little zipper thing. I'm loving this. So yeah, let's open this up. So first things first, in this bag we've got the little card that they send every month, and this says September 2019, find your light. How cute. This is so cute. And then this is going to have a little description of each of the products that you're receiving in your bag. This doesn't have the full-size product, it doesn't have the retail value on them because these are sample size products. So I got everything out of the bag. So first things first, I got a Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So this is how it looks. Murad is very expensive, so I'm super surprised to see this in the bag. But I'm all about moisturizers because I need to find a new one. It's like this. So yes, I'm gonna read up on this before I put on my face, because Lord knows that I'm still bringing my face back from that craziness that happened not too long ago. Next, I have the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And this is cruelty-free, no matter what, vegan and gluten-free. Okay, it's the first time that I hear of this particular brand. You see Obsidian Kaleido Cosmetics. So, okay, I love me a good eyeliner, so I am not mad at that. Next, I love that they're now sending it in like these little bubble wraps, because I've received quite a few of my products broken in the last bag, and I was kind of upset about it, so well, it's neither here nor there. But this is La Beaute Fatale Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Tough Love. You guys see that? And oh, it has a brush on this end. I was expecting it to not have a brush. It's double-sided, and then oh, maybe it's one of those twisty ones. We're not gonna twist this because, well, I haven't seen one like this in a long time. I had one like that from Victoria's Secret like a billion years ago. But yeah, so this is in the color Tough Love. I'm not gonna open it or swatch it because I don't want to mess the brush up right now. But yeah, there's that. Next, I love this. A little extra love and care. I like that a lot, Ipsy. This is from, oh, I think it's broken. We're gonna open this one because it looks like it's broken. I think it's broken. This is from the Beauty Crop, and it's an eyeshadow. Nope, it's not. It's a really pretty purple. Look at it, it's nice. So love that. I've been looking for a really good purple, so digging that. And then last but not least in this bag is a Ofra Cosmetics, the Ofra X Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. So, and this is definitely a full-size product. Check this out. Yes. I love getting blushes, bronzers, and highlights because that's like my favorite thing to find diamonds in the roughs. So I'm excited. This will be my very first blush from Ofra. I'm excited for this, yes. And that's everything that was in my glam bag. So on to the next. Okay, next is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, this is a box, not a bag, but this is how it comes. And this is 5 to 6 full-size products for $25. And with this and the Glam Bag, you do have a choice of doing add-ons each month. Things up to 3 add-ons, and they range from $3 to $12 each. And yeah, you can pick 3 additional products. For my Glam Bag, I didn't this month, first time ever, that I didn't pick 3 extra products. But for this one, I did. So I'll be showing you that. Let's pop this open. So obviously, because it's Ipsy, it's going to be the same. So it's going to have this, Find Your Light. The only thing with this is that this one, because they're full-size products, they do have the retail value on them. So let's see what I got. So first things first, I received the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And it looks like this. You guys want to see? This retails for $34. So right there in one product, your box is paid for, just so you know. And so yeah, I am running out of my current exfoliator, so I'm excited to try this. I hear Glam Glow is really, really good. So we got that. Next in the box is my Wander Beauty Micro Brow Pencil. So you guys know, if you see it like this, I'll do it this way. See it like this? You guys know that I'm obsessed with their mascara. I actually have it like right here. See? So I'm excited to try other products from Wander Beauty. I've only tried an eyeshadow palette, I think, that I received through Ipsy. So I'm excited to try their products. So there's that. This retails for $21. Oh my gosh, $21 for an eyebrow pencil. That's crazy. Here you go. Then the next product is the Ciate London Extraordinary Loose Translucent Powder. This is a loose translucent setting powder. I love this. This retails for $22, and I actually had I received this in a Ipsy bag as a small little sample, and I was like, oh, I gotta buy that one day. But now I don't have to because it was sent to me in my box. I'm so excited because this is a really good powder. So yes, yes. So we got that. This, I told you, retails for $22. Oh my gosh. Next, I'm going to be showing you, this is the Il Masqua Antimatter Lipstick. And this is in the color Midnight. So I'm going to guess that it's like a red, rose, pinky kind of color. Let me see. And this retails for $27. It looks like this. Ooh. And it is. It's a red. Ooh, nice and ready for the holidays, right around the corner. So yes, I'm going to keep that. And that, I said, retails $27. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, can't believe it. Then last but not least in this box, this is the Ofra X Madison Miller Squad palette. So this retails for $35. And this has a blush and highlight. Let's see. I'm gonna open this up. $35, that's crazy. Oh, the packaging is pretty. that's pretty. See? It's nice. So we got blush and 2 highlights. That's cute. That's cute. So this one looks more champagne, and then this one looks more pinky. I'm good, I'm good. I told you I love to get blushes and highlights. So there's that. Excited about that. So that's everything that I got in my box. Now my add-ons for this particular box, I chose 3 products. So I chose the LCB, the Lovecraft Beauty, or LCB Beauty bronzer, which is like this, and this is in Suniva. I've never heard of this brand, but you guys, I know I love bronzers, and I'm always loving to find new bronzers. So that's a pretty color. It's perfect for my skin tone. So we got that, and it does come with a little mirror. And then next we have the IBY Beauty Carry-On Highlighter in Private Jet. And I think this one might be a little too dark for me. Let's see, but I got it nonetheless. No, it's beautiful. It's like a champagne-y gold color. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. So we got that. I love these cute little carry-on travel ones because I'm going to be traveling next month. So I will take all these little minis with me instead of taking all my full-size products, right? Doesn't that make sense? And then last but not least, I got the Milani. This is the matte charcoal setting spray. It's up to 16-hour spray. I love it. It's a little mini. It's going to go inside my bag. I love the original Make It Last setting spray. So I was really intrigued by the matte one. I just didn't go ahead and go out and buy it. So now I have it. So that's awesome. And that's everything in my Ipsy box. So next, let's go on to the next one. Okay, last but certainly not least, my most exciting box of them all, my Boxy Charm. So this month, this is my Boxy Luxe. So let me run you down on Boxy Charm. So Boxy Charm is a monthly makeup subscription that gives you 5 to 6 full-size products for $21 a month. And if you sign up for the Boxy Luxe box, this comes every 3 months. So it's March, July, September, and December. And you get, I think it's 9 to 11 full-size products for $49.99 or $28.99 on top of your $21 if you are a Boxy Charm. You have to be a Boxy Charm subscriber before getting a Boxy Luxe. This is super excited because it's like little gifts every 3 months you get. So let's open up this box and see. Ooh. So this month's Boxy Charm is called their All Access. So you see the little spotlight, it says All Access. So this, because they're full-size products, does have everything that I'm receiving in here, and it does have a little brief description, and it also has their retail value. So let's start unboxing. Alrighty. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Dr. Brandt's Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I don't do sleep masks, but we'll see what happens. This by itself retails $52. Your box is paid right there with this just one product, and it looks just like this. I don't know if you can see it with the glare that's going on, but there you go. And yeah, so that's the first product that we're pulling out. Oh my gosh, my box is paid for already. The next product is the Clean Skin Club Fruit Infuser Water Bottle, 1 liter water bottle. And this retails for $17.95. It looks like this, or I should say the picture of it looks like this. Do I pull it out? I don't think I want to pull it out, but okay, I'm all about that because I'm getting healthy, right? Y'all with me, y'all with me. So there's that. Next in the box is a Spongella Salted Rose Mani Pedi Treatment Set. Cleanses, exfoliates, softens, and hydrates. says this retails for $18. I'm not a rose scented kind of girl, so I don't know about this. I might just give this away, but $18 retail value. Next, this is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and this retails for $29. This says this is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't wear your hair down. All right, you know, girl gotta get her hair done. Good deal. I have a bunch of IGK products that I do have to try, so yeah. So that retails, like I said, for $29. That's crazy. Next in this box, I got a Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Patina Shimmer, so I'm thinking it's like this type of color. I'm not really a shimmer liquid lip kind of girl. I'm more of a matte lip. But this retails for $22. That's ridiculous. That's just too much money for a liquid lip. But nonetheless, if you like shimmer and you like Stila, go ahead and go out and get it. Next in here is a Hank & Henry Stick With It liquid, another liquid eyeliner. This is the Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. And this retails for $20, so that'll be the second eyeliner that I'm getting in my boxes. I love a good eyeliner. If I find a good one, I'm all for it. I wear eyeliner almost every time I do my makeup. So yeah, I welcome that. Next, I got the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And this looks like this, and this is Tidal, and this retails for $65. Oh my Jesus. This is $65. This is an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into the next generation water cream. As long as it ain't got no vitamin C in it, because that just made me break out, I think I'm going to totally use this. So I'm excited for this product. $65 is way too much, but I didn't pay that, so I ain't mad at you. Next in this box, I got, let's see. Ooh, I got the Sutra Beauty Clipless Curling Iron with a cool tip. It looks like this, if you guys want to see. And this retails again for $65. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. $65 for this curling iron. So I'm excited. Yay, curling iron. And then the last product in here, if I can get it out, is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. It looks like this. And that retails for $45. $45. And yeah, that's crazy. I had one of these, and I'm going to be giving this away because I already had one and I just got rid of it because it's just too neutral for me. It was a really good palette, but for me, I have a ton of palettes like this, so I was like, do I need another one? No. So it's gonna go. And that's everything in my box. Look at that, empty, yay! It's empty. So yeah. A lot of good stuff that I got in this month's box, so I'm excited to play with a bunch of stuff. And that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my new products from my makeup subscriptions, then please give this video a like, thumbs it up, and of course subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is going to be most likely going back to 3 days a week, but I'm going to change my uploading schedule up, so stay tuned for those dates. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys and all the love and support that I get. I love receiving a new product. I love buying new product. I love seeing what's the new trends, what's the new thing. I don't buy all the new things. I don't get all the new things, but I do love enjoying reviewing it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it too. But yeah, thank you so much again, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.